Hello, everyone. My name is Jairo Mendoza Vargas. I'm from Colombia, South America, and I'm working in the computer programming technology degree. I've been in the States about 12 years. Two years living in the States, I joined the United States Air Force. I was a supply troop at the beginning, but I didn't really like it. I joined the Air Force because I wanted it to fly. So uh, after a few years in the Air Force, I retrained and I became a flight engineer. I love it. I love flying. It's my passion. And now I'm working in my degree because I want actually commission as a pilot. And I'm doing this while I'm doing my uh, private pilot certification. I'm about to finish with both. I'm probably gonna do my check right in a couple months, and this will be my last class for my degree. So I will be applying for OTS, which is my final goal, and that's what I'm doing this class. I live in Okinawa, Japan. I love the island. My family love it too. Um, I'm married with two kids, and we're having a lot of fun in the island. There's a lot of stuff to do here, so it's been fun. Um, my job is a little busy here. Like we do TDWAL a lot around the Pacific because I'm flying the AWACS, and it's a very busy duty. And now, so having time, finding time sometimes to do things is a little hard. Like keep it with the school and the certifications and family and stuff. But like, well, it is worth the to try, and I'm about to finish everything. So I'm looking forward to meet everybody in the class, and hopefully it's the last class for you like it is for me, and we will be graduating this summer. Thank you.